Here is here is my little Anna. It's Dr. King's Day, Martin Luther King Day. And Anna says, show your love and acts of kindness and acts of service today and every day of your life. Show a little love. She has the hiccups right now. My Snookum has the hiccups. And you want to see what her shirt says? It says, I am the queen when mommy's not around. There she is with her little red bow, and she's looking like, ah, here's mommy again with this camera phone. My God, what an invention. And she has on her cute little pink snow pants and her red and pink onesie and her red bow and her pink blankie. Hiccup, hiccup, cure my hiccups. That's my sweetie pie. I love you. Gitchy, goo-goo. Anna, gitchy, goo-goo. Gitchy, goo-goo. Get a laugh. And Anna is 7 weeks and 3 days. Yeah. Again, today is, January 15th, I think. Something like that. Anyway, happy King Day. Much love.